Value Trades. Welcome to the world of Forex trading, and especially welcome to Value Trades, a real ECN broker you can trust. To get you started on your journey, let's open a no-risk demo account. On the Value Trades website, simply click on Free Practice Account and follow the instructions. Your first name, your last name, your country of residence, your contact number, and your email. Leave the account type in its current state, select your preferred account currency, and for now, leave the initial deposit at $10,000. Click Open Demo Account. You will be taken immediately to your new Value Trades client area, and you will see notifications that your registered email address will have received important information and that a new demo account has been created for you. Now, check your emails. You will have 3 from Value Trades. The first email will be your login details for your Value Trades client area. The second email will be your MT4 platform download and login details. The third email will ask you to confirm your registered email address. Please do this now and you will be returned to the client area. To download your MT4 platform, you may use the link in your email or simply click on Downloads and select MT4 for Windows. Select the Value Trades demo server and click Next. You will then be asked to fill in your login and password from your email. Type these into the MT4 pop-up box, and if successful, you will see your new account number displayed here, your account number and name displayed here in the MT4 Navigator, and in the bottom right corner, these moving figures which indicate that you have a good internet connection and that you are connected to the Value Trades demo server. Click on the Trade tab in the MT4 terminal and you will see the status of your account. If you wish, you may increase the level of demo funds in your account by returning to the client area, select My Funds, and Demo. For example, you may add a cool $100,000 to your account by selecting Deposit. Returning to your MT4 terminal, you will see the new amount. The next important thing you need to do is right-click on the Market Watch area and select Show All. MT4 is now displaying every symbol available. You now have access to a multitude of major FX currency pairs, minor FX currency pairs, exotic FX currency pairs, global stock indices, crude oil, and precious metals. If you don't like the look of the original MT4 charts, you may set up your own configuration. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Properties, and you may change the background and candle colors as you wish. Now, to ensure that your charts always look like this, right-click on the chart and select Template, Save Template, and call this template Default. To open a new chart, simply right-click on a symbol in the Market Watch and select Chart Window. You will see your new default configuration. To replace a chart, simply click on a symbol, hold and drag it onto the existing chart, and you will see the new symbol. Congratulations, you have now opened a Value Trades demo account and completed the first part of your certification. That's all for now. Join us in our next video on basic analysis and placing orders. Remember that CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.